Ladies and G's, today is that flavorful chicken peri peri hot pot. So it's nothing complicated. It's an easy recipe you can try at home. And I know you're gonna enjoy this meal. So you'll start off by cutting your chicken breast into strips, and it should be looking like this. Then you season it with salt, pepper, and your chicken spice. Then you mix everything together just to blend in flavors. In a pot, you'll add a spoon of olive oil and butter. Then you add your chicken strips. So I'm adding butter because I want that buttery flavor on my chicken. So once your chicken is nicely browned, you remove it from the pot. Then in the same pot, you add butter and your mushrooms. Then you season them with black pepper. Then you allow them to cook until they release its own water. Once they are ready, you remove them from the pot. Oh my God, I love mushrooms with all my heart. And my breakfast without mushrooms is just a nightmare. So I always try to include them in almost every breakfast I have. So we'll move over to our rice. We'll wash our rice thoroughly, then boil it until it's a little bit soft. Then we move over to our veggies. So we're gonna chop our veggies, starting off with our onions, then followed by our peppers, then our cabbage, and lastly our garnish, which is parsley. So I love a combination of veggies. They just bring in that garden flavor. In the same pot, we're gonna add a spoon of olive oil. Then we saute our onion and our garlic. Then we go in with our peppers and our cabbage. Then we cook it until soft, or at least for 5 minutes. Then we add our stock water, a combination of our stock cube and our stock pot. Then we let everything cook until our stock water reduces a bit. Then we add our heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, thyme, garlic and herb, parsley, and your favorite peri peri sauce. You let your herbs simmer for 2 minutes. Then you add your mushrooms and your chicken strips. Then you allow everything to cook for 10 minutes while covered. Then you add your rice and cook for 1 minute. Just make sure that your meal is not too dry. And your meal is now ready. Then you garnish with your peppers and your chili flakes. This was very, very delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.